This 27-piece set of 6-inch SWANLAKE Garden Tools spring clamps offers a generous supply of sturdy clamps for workshops, studios, and job sites. The nickel-plated steel construction gives these clamps impressive strength and corrosion resistance, so they hold up well in demanding woodworking and outdoor tasks. A wide jaw opening of about 2 4/10 inches lets the clamps grip thicker materials such as lumber, pipe, folded tarps, and layered backdrops without slipping. The curved handles with rubberized covers feel secure in the hand and help reduce strain when you are repeatedly clamping and repositioning pieces throughout a project. Because they maintain strong, even pressure, these metal clips are especially useful for holding photography backdrops, securing pool covers, and stabilizing materials while glue or paint cures. For both do-it-yourself users and professionals, this collection functions as a reliable, all-purpose clamping kit that is easy to grab for everything from quick repairs to heavy-duty setups.